Shahid Kapoor will yet again be seen in the Hindi remake of a Telugu film after Kabir Singh. This time Gautam Tinori's hugely popular Jersey. The trailer of the film was recently revealed at an event in Mumbai. The trailer has got the audience excited with its backdrop of India's most loved sport of cricket. The film follows the story of an underdog and celebrates the human spirit. While the film features Shahid as the protagonist, it also stars his father and veteran actor Pankaj Kapoor and also Mrunal Thakur, who was most recently seen in Dhamaka. At the launch event, Shahid opened up about working with his father and veteran actor Pankaj Kapoor in this film.
That was his first day of shooting. And I had shot about 15 days with Gautam, and I felt he's very happy with me as a director, and I'm bringing something fresh to this role and whatever. And so we started the scene, and for some reason, Gautam took his shot first, because we're against each other. So either the camera's behind me or behind him, so he took his shot first, right? And my dad did the take, and suddenly I saw Gautam's expression has changed. Okay, so I looked at him. I said, "What happened, man?" And he very serious. He went up to dad and he said, "Outstanding, sir. We're moving on." Then he walked into a corner alone. So I walked behind him. I was like, "What's going on here?" I got a little nervous. So I said, "Kya hua, Gautam sir? Kya hua?" So he says, "Sir, I'm very concerned." I said, "What happened?" "You'll be able to match his performance in your shot because he's outstanding. People will not look at you. You better be very good in the shot." So that's how my dad is. And so I don't think I need to explain my experience any further. It's pretty nerve-wracking working with him. But it's also a pleasure working with him, because if you're an actor at heart... Sorry? I'm not intimidated by him. Intimidation is the wrong word. When you have so much respect and regard for somebody, you really want to be able to do your best. And like I was saying, if you're an actor at heart, it's amazing standing in the frame with a great actor and seeing them do something, regardless of whether he's my father or not, right? This is about two people standing in the frame as actors. That's what that's about. And it's just amazing seeing what he's doing with his craft and trying to react to it honestly and learning from it, So I would want to work with people like him when I worked with Irfan sir, when I worked with Tabu ma'am or KK sir, or any of these people. These are phenomenal actors. Being in the frame with them is like learning how to act.
Produced by Aman Gill, Dil Raju and S. Nagavamsi and presented by Allu Arvind, the film features music by Sachetan Parampara and it is set to release theatrically on December 31st.
Subscribe to our channel. Just click on the bell icon for all the latest updates.